When Apple first unveiled the original spatial computer, the tech world witnessed a monumental shift in how we interact with digital media. But behind closed doors inside Cupertino, engineers were already dissecting its flaws to engineer something vastly superior. The original model was a breathtaking masterpiece of engineering, yet it was weighed down by physical mass, limited battery endurance, and an eye-watering price tag that kept it out of reach for the everyday consumer. Now, freshly leaked internal schematics, supply chain orders, and newly filed patent applications reveal that Apple is preparing to unleash the Apple Vision Pro 2, a device designed not just to refine spatial computing, but to completely dominate it. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The development of the Apple Vision Pro 2 represents one of the most aggressive hardware iterations in the history of consumer electronics, as Apple addresses every single critical piece of feedback gathered from first-generation power users and enterprise partners worldwide. To truly understand what makes the upcoming Apple Vision Pro 2 such a game-changer, we have to look closely at the primary complaint of the first generation: weight and comfort. Supply chain reports confirm that Apple's industrial design team has completely overhauled the internal chassis and external housing of the headset. By swapping out heavy curved glass and solid aluminum elements in favor of aerospace-grade titanium alloy, woven composite fabrics, and high-strength ultralight polymers, the Apple Vision Pro 2 is engineered to achieve a massive weight reduction of over 30%. This drastic structural diet transforms the spatial computing experience from something you wear for an hour into a device you can comfortably wear through an entire 8-hour workday without facial fatigue or neck strain. Furthermore, the light seal and head strap mechanisms have been completely redesigned with customized ergonomic contours, pressure-relieving air channels, and dynamic balancing pads that distribute the center of gravity much closer to the user's face. Underneath this sleek new exterior lies the heart of the performance boost for the Apple Vision Pro 2, the next-generation Apple silicon architecture. Internal benchmarks indicate that the dual-chip configuration is receiving a massive upgrade, pairing an M5 family processor alongside a completely reinvented custom R2 spatial coprocessor. While the primary system chip handles complex application logic, spatial rendering, and heavy multitasking, the upgraded R2 chip processes real-time sensor streams at near-zero latency. With photon-to-photon latency dropping below 10 milliseconds, the video pass-through on the Apple Vision Pro 2 will feel entirely instantaneous, eliminating the slight motion blur and spatial warping that occasionally affected high-speed head movements on the original model. This performance leap enables crystal-clear pass-through even in challenging low-light environments, making your real-world surroundings appear sharper, brighter, and perfectly natural. Display tech is where the Apple Vision Pro 2 truly establishes a new benchmark for immersive hardware. Apple has partnered with top-tier display manufacturers to develop next-generation micro-OLED panels that push pixel density to unprecedented heights. Reports indicate that the new panels will deliver over 4,000 pixels per inch, bringing the combined visual resolution beyond dual 4K to near 8K clarity for each eye. This incredible pixel density effectively eliminates the screen door effect entirely, making small text in desktop windows and intricate architectural models look just as crisp as an ultra-high-definition physical monitor. Combined with a significantly expanded field of view that minimizes the sensation of looking through goggles, the visual immersion offered by the Apple Vision Pro 2 will set a standard that competitors will struggle to match for years. Thermal management and energy efficiency are getting a complete overhaul in the Apple Vision Pro 2. The power-hungry micro-OLED displays and dual high-performance processors demand an intelligent cooling solution to keep the unit quiet and cool. Leaked structural patents reveal a novel silent microfan system coupled with vapor chamber cooling pipes that draw heat out through hidden ventilation channels hidden along the top edge of the visor. This active thermal management system allows the Apple Vision Pro 2 to maintain peak performance during long gaming sessions or heavy 3D rendering workloads without throttling performance or generating uncomfortable heat on the front of your face. Battery performance has always been a point of friction, but the Apple Vision Pro 2 addresses this with a two-pronged solution. The tethered external battery pack now features a higher energy density cell design without increasing its physical footprint, boosting standalone battery life significantly beyond the first generation's limit. More importantly, leaks suggest that Apple is introducing a hot-swappable internal capacitor feature inside the head strap connector. This allows users to disconnect a depleted battery cable and plug in a fresh battery pack without turning off the Apple Vision Pro 2 or interrupting their virtual workspace, providing virtually unlimited runtime for professional users who are constantly on the move. The camera and sensor array on the Apple Vision Pro 2 has also evolved dramatically. Apple is integrating high dynamic range spatial camera sensors capable of capturing spatial video and 3D photographs in full 8K resolution at high frame rates. This means users will be able to record spatial memories with absolute lifelike detail, capturing lighting dynamics, subtle depth cues, and rich colors exactly as the human eye perceives them. Additionally, infrared eye-tracking cameras located inside the light seal have been upgraded with advanced neural tracking algorithms, allowing the Apple Vision Pro 2 to track eye movement with pinpoint accuracy even when a user is wearing specialized corrective lenses or high-index prescription inserts. Interactivity and input methods are taking a massive leap forward with visionOS improvements designed specifically around the hardware capabilities of the Apple Vision Pro 2. While precise eye tracking and intuitive pinch gestures remain the foundation of navigation, Apple is testing support for low-latency spatial controllers and spatial input accessories. Leaked prototype listings point toward a specialized Apple Pencil spatial stylus that allows digital artists, engineers, and designers to draw and manipulate 3D objects directly in midair or on flat physical surfaces with sub-millimeter precision. Furthermore, smart ring integration patents indicate that Apple may introduce a subtle wearable accessory for the Apple Vision Pro 2 that provides localized haptic feedback, giving users the tactile sensation of touching, pushing, or grabbing virtual objects. Audio engineering inside the Apple Vision Pro 2 receives a substantial upgrade as well. The side-mounted spatial audio pods have been redesigned with dual-driver acoustic structures that deliver deeper bass response, clearer vocal frequencies, and enhanced sound isolation. The beamforming microphone array has been tuned using spatial beam steering, filtering out background noise so effectively that callers will hear your voice with pristine studio clarity, even if you're using the Apple Vision Pro 2 in a noisy coffee shop or crowded office environment. For users who prefer complete privacy, seamless integration with AirPods Pro automatically shifts spatial audio routing and optical calibration instantly upon detection. One of the biggest leaks surrounding Apple's spatial computing roadmap is the dual-tier strategy currently unfolding in supply chain channels. Alongside the flagship Apple Vision Pro 2, Apple is reportedly developing a more affordable, lightweight model targeted at mass consumers. However, for power users, creative professionals, and enterprise clients, the Apple Vision Pro 2 remains the ultimate halo device, packing cutting-edge technology, maximum computing power, and premium materials into a refined spatial headset. This high-end positioning ensures that the Apple Vision Pro 2 will push the boundaries of productivity, spatial gaming, digital cinema, and remote collaboration far beyond what was previously thought possible. Mac Virtual Display functionality is receiving a long-awaited expansion on the Apple Vision Pro 2. Power users who rely on the headset as a multi-monitor workstation will be thrilled to learn that the new chip hardware supports native ultra-wide and multi-virtual monitor setups at full 4K resolution per display without latency or bandwidth compression. You will be able to spawn multiple virtual desktop monitors around your physical desk, mirroring your Mac Studio or MacBook Pro with perfect clarity and continuous frame rates. This feature alone makes the Apple Vision Pro 2 an indispensable tool for coders, video editors, financial analysts, and content creators who need massive screen real estate anywhere in the world.